Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today, I'm going to show you how to mount 3 to 4 character numeric plates from New South Wales onto European cars because they're always quite difficult. So today, I've got a C63S and an Audi RS5, so use that as an example, and we'll use our bracket system to bolt this on directly without any drilling. Let's get into it. So what's the problem? Numeric plates, 3 to 4 character, they're quite small. They're smaller than most mounting points on European cars. For example, Audi, Volkswagen, Lamborghini has their own fixed mounting position, but look, the plates are much smaller than the car. So what do you want to do? Drill through a plate and into the car? Probably not, right? So we have a product that adapts factory mounting points to the factory mounting holes in a number plate, so it becomes a bolt-on solution. Now, this is also a problem for Mercedes, but let me explain. So when it comes to Mercedes-Benz, they have a unique 4-hole pattern, which exists on almost every car since like 1950. So what you want to do is find a product that can adapt these 4 holes to this plate, which is this product here. So how this works is you mount this onto the car in the 4 points with the hardware provided, which allows you to then mount on your numeric plates straight on without drilling any holes. If you're working with other cars, we have a range of products to suit Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, Lamborghini. We've got adapters for Mercedes-Benz, Alfa Romeo, and a few other cars. We also have a very, very small one which hides behind a number plate. And the idea behind this is so you don't need to drill 4 holes in your car. You only need to make 2. And when it comes to 2, you can choose any position within here. So that way it fits nicely behind the plate, not a lot of holes, and this is perfect for the front. So with that out the way, let's get installing on the Audi and I'll show you what it looks like on the Mercedes-Benz as well. So Audi, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, etc. Plates are too small. So first I'll put on the bracket using the screws provided, and then I can bolt my plate straight onto the mounting points there. So for Mercedes, it's the same thing. Just grab the Mercedes version, which is the M3-4. It looks like this. The only difference that is instead of the Volkswagen holes, you've got the Mercedes holes, which line up exactly, and then your plate goes on. And that's how you get numeric 3 and 4 character number plates onto cars using our bracket system. Now the 4 sizes, we've got -1, that's typically used for the front. -2 is for the Volkswagen group, so Audi, Skoda, Lamborghini, etc. -3 is for BMW fitment, and -4 is for Mercedes-Benz, like this one. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.